We are really excited to participate in the Congressional App Challenge in Illinois District 7. I'm Aviral Mehrotra.
Hi, I'm Dhir.
And my name is Aarushi Mehrotra. The American Psychological Association estimates that close to 80 to 95% of students procrastinate on their assignments. This leads to numerous negative effects, ranging from an impact to their grades to their physical and mental health, resulting in an increased level of frustration, guilt, and stress. We intend to solve this widespread problem with an app that will assist students in their homework prioritization and scheduling, giving students the maximum value of their time. We call it procrastiNOT, meaning to not procrastinate.
During the last 6 months, we brainstormed the app, conducted research, checked feasibility, and implemented the app. We also conducted student and teacher surveys to ensure the app will have an impact. We spoke to an Aspen executive and the Grade Corner founder for their guidance. Prior to implementation, we prototyped the app. Upon opening the app, the user signs in with Google Single Sign-On. procrastiNOT solution architecture integrates multiple data sources, including Google Classroom, Google Calendar, and Aspen, and allows expansion to new data providers. The data goes through prioritization and scheduling via our backend engine. Finally, we used Google Single Sign-On to authenticate logging into the app's user interface developed in Swift and JavaScript. After the user has signed in, they complete the registration process and provide their Aspen login credentials, along with other information like their scheduling preferences and their class's difficulty rankings. The user's credentials are stored locally on their phone rather than in our database due to our commitment to users' data privacy and security. The user then enters the home screen where they are presented with a list of their pending assignments.
Here, students can click the Prioritize button to get a prioritized list of their assignments from the server. They can also click individual assignments to view their details. On the Details page, they can provide additional hints to the prioritization algorithm and use a stopwatch to track the time spent on an assignment. The backend integrates with multiple data providers and is the heart of the app. It is implemented in Python and runs as a set of Google Cloud functions. The backend provides two main capabilities: prioritization and scheduling. Prioritization uses factors like the student's grade, the assignment's category, and its due date to calculate its impact on their grade and prioritizes accordingly. From the assignment screen, students can click the Schedule button to request a suggested schedule from the server. The backend takes into account the student's productive hours, their sleep times, school hours, block times, and the difficulty of their classes to make a recommendation.
Preferences provided during registration can be changed in the settings page.
We plan to add more features to involve parents, allow for group collaboration, add machine learning for adaptive suggestions, and to gamify the app to make completing assignments a rewarding and fun activity. We hope our app will make a positive impact to the academics of students around the world. Thank you for this opportunity.